If you love watching videos and spending time on social media as everyone does, then let me tell you that you can make money from it. What I am going to introduce to you is a really easy way to earn cash just by using other people's social media. No, I'm not saying that you will literally use their social media, but later on, I am going to show you a website that you can use to help those influencers grow and you will get paid. In this video, I'll show you how to earn money by viewing videos on TikTok, a daily activity that many people engage in, except that you can make money from it, so you won't have to stress about working a job you hate or putting up with either your supervisor or your boss. Additionally, everything is really simple and straightforward. Anyone can do it and you'll be learning a lot. You'll quickly just make money while having fun instead of simply just watching TikTok videos and wasting your time. You will be making extra money to travel or get something you have been saving up for. And that's one of the reasons why I'm making this video. Many people have logged in numerous times and they have spent hours watching TikTok without receiving anything in return, which is when I learned how to gain income by watching videos. This strategy I'm about to share with you is available for you to make money anywhere in the world with just a smartphone or a computer, and with a good internet connection, you can definitely do it. I'll walk you through this process step by step, so pay close attention to everything I say, as closely as you can in this video so you won't miss an important step. You will just watch a 3-second video and receive rewards on the website. How easy is that? But before we get into the video, welcome to Money Kings, where we teach you how to make money online in the simplest and easiest way we know. Now, before we get into it, please subscribe so you can keep up to date on the latest and greatest money-making opportunities. And don't forget, you can do all of this from the comfort of your home. Now, the first website we will be working with is called AddMeFast.com. Now, if you open this website, you'll read AddMeFast is a network that will help you grow your social presence, which explains exactly the purpose of this website. So what AddMeFast.com does is they are a social media marketing platform. It means that they help people grow their social media. They help them increase in their followers, likes, views, and shares, and etc. And they have lots of available social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Reddit, TikTok, even SoundCloud, and many more. For example, AddMeFast.com will help people who want to grow their Twitter by increasing their followers, retweets, and likes by paying other people to follow those people's Twitter. And not only Twitter, but there are more. Luckily, they have also a lot of payment methods that you can use, like credit cards, crypto payments, mobile, e-wallets, and many more. You can just choose what is the most convenient for you. And there is also a new payment method called AMF tokens, which I will discuss later. Now, to get started, you will have to go to the upper right corner of the screen and click the green register button. Fill in your information and they will send you a confirmation email. Once you have done this, you can go back to the website and log into your new account. This website has a cool referral program. If you refer someone to their website and they sign up, you can earn 300 points or 250 AMF tokens for each person you refer. Also, as another bonus, if you are active on the website, you can get an extra 400 points every day. So you definitely will want to log on every single day. Now, if you go to the left side of this page and look over the free points, you will find all the ways you can earn points. So as you can see, there are literally tons of ways that you can earn points. So for instance, click on the TikTok video likes now. If you wait for a second, you will see a TikTok that you will just have to click, and they will instruct you to wait for 2 to 3 seconds after liking the video before closing the pop-up page. See how easy it is to earn points. And of course, these points will turn into money for you. Now, doing this has a smaller earning rate, so you might want to check out other ways to earn free points. For example, TikTok followers, you can earn more than just liking TikTok videos. You can earn 2 extra points by following their TikTok, in addition to liking their video and earning points from that. Or if you don't like watching on TikTok, you can also watch YouTube videos. Usually, you can earn 4 points for 30 seconds of this video. Now, just like TikTok, you can earn extra points once you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Look around the website and see what you would like to do to earn more points. And again, later you will exchange these points for real money. There is a threshold for this website, but you will see that the points will add up really quick. Now, like I told you earlier, this is something called AMF tokens or AddMeFast tokens. AMF token is their own coin or cryptocurrency, and you can exchange your points with an AMF token. But there is something you need first. You need a crypto wallet that is available with Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Then you will submit your valid BSC address to them. Now, if you will earn AMF tokens at AddMeFast.com, you will receive it in your wallet. So it is an effortless way to earn money just by watching TikTok videos, YouTube videos, or just following someone on social media. Now, if you are earning using this site, then let me know in the comments. All right, that is it for today. Make sure you like this video if it gave you a new way to earn a little extra cash. Subscribe to Money Kings and we will keep you updated on the easiest way to earn money online from the comfort of your home or for a little bit of extra cash. Don't forget to click the notification bell as well so you can be the first to know. Thank you for watching and we will see you next time.